going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at a secret auction in an undisclosed location. I'm going to share with you guys some of the great cars I got out here. Some of them are going to be really clean, ready to roll out the door. Some of them are going to be a little bit damaged, which will be kind of familiar. We're going to jump into this today, though, with number one on my list, the thumbnail Caddy sitting on Vogues. This is a 2014 Cadillac CTS. This is the 3.6 liter V6 in that beautiful pearl white. And yeah, you seen it right. It's got the mayonnaise and mustard, man. The Vogues, the old schools. You guys know how much these tires cost? You don't want to know. Vogues are not cheap. These are very expensive tires. And it's got a full set of them. Granted, they're not in very good shape. But the car itself is absolutely beautiful. Not flawless, but an excellent example of a daily driver. Let's take a look at the interior. See how it held up. Sniff tat. Well, you know, it's a little musty. It's a little musty. But honestly, it looks pretty decent. Sounds like it's got power. It's got under 100,000 miles. Sitting at 95,432. Is it push to start? It is. All right. She's coming to life. Do I have any warning lights on? No. Wow. Okay, oh wow, look at that sunroof. Good night. Oh wow, yeah, that's a nice sunroof. Or can you close that shade? There we go. Close the shade. It's hot. It is really, really hot today, guys. Like I'm dying out here. What is this? Oh, that's for settings. All right, let's put it in gear. Yeah, reverse camera. It's got maps, navigation. Oh, this is nice. It's got a little air freshener in here, but I got to admit, I think that thing's a little bit on the wore out side. How do you open the glove box? Yeah, I don't know. Little ashtray right there, I guess. This is decent. You know, I got to try out the air conditioning. It is, woo. It is hot. Let's do auto on low. Come on, baby. Give us the air conditioning. While that's happening, let's check out the important window. Yeah. The brakes feel good. Steering feels very nice. Can we pop the hood? All right. The AC is getting ice cold. It's got a manual mode right here, so that's kind of nice. If you want to use the paddle shifters, look at that. Boom, boom. Got your downshifts right there. Like that as well. These mode buttons, I guess that's for, oh, sport, snow and ice, and touring. I love this little car, man. I do. This thing is awesome. Yeah, AC is ice cold, guys. Ice cold. Let's pop the trunk. Let's see if she's got a... Oh, we got the rubber floor mats, too. Okay. WeatherTech. This is a nice find. No spare tire. That sucks. It didn't come with one, though, so I'm not really surprised that there's not one back there. Let's pop the hood. I think this would be a great car for Jessica. It's stylish. Well, she runs great. I don't see any leaks. Got that direct injection. Variable valve timing. She probably scoots right down the road, guys. Got the LEDs. Look at those. Tell me that's not sick right there. That looks good. And they flow all the way down to the bumper. That's a good looking ride right there. Cracked headlight. Admittedly, the Vogues are not in the best shape, so she'd probably need a set of tires before too long. Honestly, though, I like this one, guys. I almost hate to admit it, but I like this one. I like this one a lot. You ozone the interior. And this thing would be sweet. Comment below, tell me what you think, man. I'm actually interested in this car, and I just walked up on it. This wasn't on my list. I just walked up on this, and I was like, oh, dude, look at that steering wheel. I wonder what this thing's gonna go for. Drop your comments below. Tell me what you think of the Cadillac. Why don't we move on to something else? A Mercedes. Right behind the Cadillac is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Not entirely my cup of tea, but it does have over 100,000 miles on it, and who knows, maybe it'll go for a relatively cheap price. I don't know, if you had to choose between the Cadillac that we just looked at and this, what would you choose? I'm leaning more towards the Cadillac, honestly, but I do have a thing for the Benz, man. The Benz is a sweet looking car, even though it is only a 250. Let's take a look at the interior. Body looks nice. I think, honestly, I think the Cadillac is just overall a nicer car. I think the color is better. Look at that Cadillac right there. I think the color is better. It just looks, well, bigger, more stylish. How does it smell? Whoa. Well, it smells all right. It smells better than the Caddy, but not... Oh, it started right up. Look at this little tiny screen you get right here. What is that about? All right. Air conditioning. AC. There we go. 62, 60. Let's get that going. I gotta have the AC on, guys, because the GoPro will overheat and turn off on us. Steering feels good. Steering feels very good. Very light. Very light. There are no warning lights on the dash. Let's put it in drive. Right into gear. Front and back. Important window. It's got the Harman Kardon stereo. We'll check the trunk here in just a minute. Can we turn up the fan here? Let's check out that air conditioning. Let's turn on this. Warning, do not let the system distract you. All right. No disc. Is it touchscreen, I wonder? No touchscreen, really? Oh, okay. So you got to use, this is like an iDrive system. Okay. All right. Well, hell, I don't know how to work this. Navigation. Let's turn on navigation. No navigation either. All right. Well, I'll be honest with you. I mean, it's a clean little car. It's got a nice big sunroof. Hopefully we can close that, close the shade. Is there a shade? It doesn't work. The shade doesn't work. Yeah, I don't know, guys. What do you think? I'm still leaning more towards the Caddy, though. Let's give her a little rev. Oh, that sounds weird. Oops, I honked the horn. All right, you got your floor mats, your book, your tow hook, little Mercedes toolkit or something right there. Lug tools. Nothing under there at all. Oh, the tint is really bubbling and peeling. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna say I'm more for the Benz. I mean, more for the Cadillac, I think. Can I get in here? How do you even get in here? There we go. Well, that's cute. Okay, it's a little four-banger. Nah. I think, personally, I mean, I like it. It's very clean. It's also got that really cool LED strip that flows real nicely. I think I'd take a 100,000 mile Cadillac all day long over a 100,000 mile Mercedes. That's just where I'm at. You guys comment below though and tell me what you would do if you had the money and you could buy either one. You could either buy that Caddy up there or you could have this Mercedes. Which one would you buy? Last one on the list, a 2021 Toyota Tundra with 23,000 miles on the odometer, guys. She is pitch black. Beautiful. Got the big, thick running boards. She's got some scratches. That's all superficial. It looks deep, but it's not. That's on the surface. That will buff out. It's an SX. This is nice. I mean, it should be. It's a 2021. Got the spray-in bed liner. Really nice. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. I don't need a truck, so I'm not really looking at this for me, but I figured you guys might enjoy seeing some of the newer car content that they've got out here at this auction. They got tons of vehicles, 21s, 22s. This smells pretty bad, honestly, for being a 21. There's hair and crap all over the floor. It smells god-awful. This smells awful. I have smelled cars with 200,000 miles on them that smelled better than this. Footprints on the seat. What? Oh boy. How much you want to bet this was a repo? I'll bet you money this was a repossession. This thing stinks. It's already needing tires too. The tires are already worn. Look at the scratches and scuffs. Oh, do you know how much these things cost? I do. I know how much they cost. You wouldn't catch me treating mine like this, but you know, to each their own. It's not my car, so you do what you want with it. And how about this? A 2021 that still has a damn key. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? She fires up. She's got good air conditioning. That fired up immediately. I mean, cosmetically, yeah, a little rougher than what I'd like for a brand new truck. Smells awful, but like mechanically, you would think there wouldn't be anything wrong with it. And even if there is, it's still under warranty. Let's close this door. Important window, of course, everything's gonna work, guys. It's only got 20,000 miles on it. Yeah. It does not have the sliding rear window though. It's one solid rear window. And what a ginormous shifter. And here's the thing I don't like about it. You got your cups over here, which I guess you can still get to, but it just seems like the shifter is in the way of everything. Like maybe they could have moved it up or made it smaller, or they put it somewhere. I don't know. This is such a weird, it feels weird. I don't like it at all. I don't. I wouldn't buy one of these. I thought about it, but no, I wouldn't buy one of these. Still got the books and everything, which is good. AC's nice. The engine sounds great. Only warning light on the dash is low fuel and windshield washer fluid, which is no big deal at all. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let's take a look at what she's working with. I can't remember what Toyota uses it. I can't think of the name of it. I can't. It's a 5.7 V8 if I remember right, or maybe they went up to a 5.8. It's an I-Force or something like that. I don't remember. Yeah, 5.7 I-Force. Good Lord, this thing had a hard 23,000 miles. Wow. Oh man. Okay. This truck was put to work, guys. That's what happened. This truck was put to work. Could be a repo. Could be they didn't like it. You know, we didn't like the Tundra. We absolutely hated the Tundra. So maybe it's just a case of they owned it for a little while and just couldn't deal with it anymore. And said to hell with it and traded in on something else. You know what's cool about this place though? I'm gonna tell you right now, if you look over there, all the bay doors are closed. It is 3:55. This yard closes at 4 o'clock today. I can be here all night. They got somebody here that'll let me in and let me out with my special gate pass. I can get in and out until like it's either 9 o'clock at night or 10. It's some 9, 10 o'clock at night. I can come and go as I please. And I can get here as early as like 5 in the morning if I want to. So I can actually come out here after it's cooled off some and do these videos. I love this place. I love this undisclosed location. I also like this truck. I just wouldn't own one. And I do kind of feel bad because I came out with a video about trading in the junk Toyota Tundra. I offended a lot of people. I gotta admit, the Tacoma wasn't, I don't want to say it was junk, but it felt so cheap. And it was a $38,000 truck for a two-wheel drive SR5 Tacoma. It was a V6. Really? It rode like dog crap. The technology was a decade out of date. For me, it absolutely not worth it. The technology is what killed it for me. The ride quality killed it for me. And the lack of power, the awkward shifting transmission. It felt like I was in like a Ford Fiesta or something from back in the day. It didn't feel like a $40,000 truck. And for that, to me, it was junk. I'm not saying that if you own one, yours is junk. I'm simply saying my experience with one, it felt like I was driving a piece of junk. With that, we are done with this video. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching the video today. If you enjoyed the content, hit the thumbs up button and maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. I would truly appreciate it. We're going to get out of here, though. Until next time, stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.